In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Zoom meeting link. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a shareable link for an instant Zoom meeting in just a few clicks. First, open the Zoom desktop app and make sure you're on the Home tab. Here, look for the New Meeting button. Clicking this starts an instant meeting right away. Don't worry if your camera turns on automatically. You can toggle your video or audio off at any time using the controls along the bottom toolbar. A new window will appear, and this is your call window. This is where you'll see your meeting controls like mute, start video, share screen, and more. To create and share your meeting link, go to the bottom toolbar and click Participants. A panel will open on the right. In that panel, select Invite. This brings up your invitation options. Inside the invite window, you'll see two quick choices: Copy, Invite Link, and Copy Invitation. If you choose Copy Invite Link, you'll grab just the direct link that people can click to join your meeting immediately. If you select Copy Invitation, you'll copy a fuller message that includes the link plus extra details like the meeting ID, passcode, and dial-in instructions. This longer version is handy if you're sending a formal email or posting to a calendar event and want all the essentials in one place. Whichever option you pick, Zoom puts it on your clipboard automatically. That means it's ready to paste anywhere you communicate: email, chat apps, project management tools, calendar descriptions, you name it. Just use your normal paste shortcut, like Command-V on Mac or Control-V on Windows, or right-click and choose Paste. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you're sharing the link with a group, add a short note so people know what the meeting is about and when to join. Keep your meeting open so attendees can get in. And if your waiting room is enabled, be ready to admit people as they arrive. For safety, share your link only with people you trust and avoid posting it in public places. Instant meetings typically create a unique link for that session, so plan to send a fresh one next time you start a new meeting. And that's all you need. Click New Meeting, open Participants, select Invite, then copy either the link or the full invitation and paste it wherever you want to share. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next Zoom call.